Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin mining? Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Bitcoin mining rig step by step. First things first, hardware selection. You'll need a powerful ASIC miner or a high hash rate GPU. These are essential for efficient mining. Got your hardware? Great. Now let's talk power supply. Choose one that can handle your setup's energy needs. Next, cooling. Mining generates a lot of heat, so you'll need multiple fans or a liquid cooling system to keep things running smoothly. Once your hardware is set up, it's time to install mining software. Popular options include CG Miner and BFG Miner. Download and install one of these to get started. Now connect your rig to a mining pool. This collective processing power increases your chances of earning rewards. Don't forget to set up a crypto wallet to receive your hard-earned Bitcoin. There are plenty of options out there, so choose one that suits your needs. Finally, configure your miner by following the software's instructions. Make sure everything is running efficiently and keep an eye on your electricity costs to maximize profitability. And that's it. Your Bitcoin mining rig is ready to start generating cryptocurrency. Happy mining! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.